Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple and delicious rice bath recipe. It's easy to prepare and taste is amazing. So let's get started. First, take 1 cup of rice, wash it well and soak it for about 15 to 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, slice the onions and green chilies. Now chop the potatoes into small pieces and keep the green peas ready. Next, chop the ginger garlic. These ingredients add a wonderful flavor to the recipe. Then chop 2 or 3 tomatoes if you like. If you want extra flavor, lightly dry roast the coriander seeds and dried red chilies. If you don't have time for this step, that's completely fine. You can simply use ginger garlic paste, add it directly to the pan. Now grind the roasted ingredients together just as shown in the video. Next, heat a pan and all the prepared ingredients one by one. Cook everything well, then add the soaked rice and continuous cooking until the rice is perfectly done. Our delicious rice bath is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with your family, your friends or yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.